Good morning, students. Today we are going to study poem 15, Abu Ben Adam. But before starting with the poem, let's understand the meanings. Angel, now a spirit who is believed to be a servant of the God. So people believe that a spirit who works for the God is called angel. Bold, bold is an adjective, means brave and confident. When someone is brave, when someone has confidence, that person is bold. Next meaning is peace. It's a noun, means the state of being calm and quiet. When we are very quiet, when we are very calm, we are peaceful. Presence. Presence is a noun, the fact of being in a particular place. When we are at some particular place, it means we are present over there at that time. Tribe. Tribe is a noun, means group of people of the same race with the same customs, religion, etc. living in a particular area. Tribe means a group of people. They are of the same race. They have same customs, they have same religion, they follow same rules and regulations, and they all live in a particular area. So such group of people is known as tribe. The next meaning is vanished. Vanished is a verb, means disappeared suddenly. When something or somebody disappears suddenly means they vanish. Now let's understand the poem. Who do you think is greater, one who loves God or the one who loves the creatures created by God? God has created all the creatures we know. So what do you think? Who is greater? The one who loves God or one who loves all the creatures created by God? Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. So one night Abu Ben Adam, he was sleeping very peaceful, and from that peaceful sleep he woke up and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom. So after waking up, what does Abu Ben Adam see? He saw that within the moonlight is coming in his room, and in that moonlight he could see that there was an angel. How that moonlight made the room looked really rich and as if a lily flower is in bloom. An angel writing in a book of gold exceeding peace had made Abu Ben Adam bold. So he saw that one angel was writing in a book made of gold. And Abu was very peaceful, and because of this so much peace, he was bold. He had courage, he was brave. So he asked, and to the presence in the room he said. So now he is asking the angel, what writest thou? The vision raised its head. He is asking the angel, what you are writing? So angel raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord answered, the names of those who love the Lord. So that angel, with a very sweet look, with a very nice look, the angel answered that I am writing names of all those people who love Lord, means God. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so, replied the angel. So Abu was very curious. He wanted to know that is my name there in the list? And the angel says, no, your name is not there. Abu spoke more low but cheerily still and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow man. So now Abu speaks a little low, but he is still very cheerful, very happy, and he said, I pray God, and so write my name as one who loves his fellow men. So Abu loves all the people and all the creatures who are around him. So he made a request to the angel that write my name as the one who loves his fellow men. The angel wrought and vanished. So angel wrote his name, wrote Abu's name, and then the angel vanished, means disappeared. The next night it came again with a great awakening light. So next night that angel comes back again, and there was a great awakening light, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo means look. Adam's name led all the rest. So angel shows name of all the people whom God had blessed. And in that list, Adam's name was on the top. Means God had given lots and lots of blessings to Adam. This poem is written by Leigh Hunt. So in this poem, the poet is saying that God loves all those people who love their fellow men. So it's not necessary that we just love God. We should also love all the creatures which are around us. That also will make God bless us. So we should be nice to everyone. This is what we learn from the poem. I hope you have understood the meanings and the poem I explained. Thank you.